Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's vlog, today December 5, 2025, and today is Friday. Yeah, we here at my husband's parents' house. See, this is their house. Ayan yung bahay nila. Ngayon, nag-i-snow na naman. Snow, very snow. Ayan. Grabe, oh. Oh, ang snow. Yan ang snow. Ano siya, tawag dito. Ayan, no? Floppy naman yung snow. Kaso, hindi ako makagawa ng snowball. Hindi siya makagawa ng snowman. Ayan, floppy. Pwede nang gumawa ng halo-halo. Ayan. Ayan yung puno. Ayan yung apple nila. Apple yan. Apple tree. Apple tree. Ayan. Nung nakaraan, last year nakakita kami ng deer dito eh. Pero ngayon wala. Halos pag ganito kasi gabi sila pupunta dito sa community na to. Ayan yung mga puno kalbo na makikita nyo. Ayan. Dito tayo muna sa labas kasi yung asawa ko is nagsashabal doon sa daanan. So, dito ako sa labas. Ala, grabe. Lulubog na yung pa ako. Ayan yung back. Tingnan natin sa likod. Anong itsura. So, meron lang akong may content ba. Ayan. Ang snow. Ang snow. Grabe ang snow. Ayan. Grabe ang snow. Ayan. Sa upuan. Ang snow. Hala. Grabe. Tikman natin. Titikman ko. Wait lang. Ayan yung snow sa paligid ko. Snow. Snow, snow, snow. Titikman natin itong ice itong shave ice. Wala sa lasa. Para siya pang halo-halo. Kulang na lang sahog. Totoo. Sahog na lang. Halo-halo yung kulang. Oh, baka sabihin nyo, madumi yun ha. Hindi ko dyan kinuha. Dito ko kinuha. Oh. Dito ko kinuha. Ayan. Grabe ang snow. Ayan. So yung snow. Wala sa lasa. Pero mamaya may i-edit akong video. Kaya pala nandito kami, magse-celebrate kami ng early Christmas ng family niya. Kasi hindi ako magse-celebrate dito ng Christmas, tapos yung asawa ko may pasok. May pasok nun sa Christmas. So, mag-early celebration kami. Ayan, wala pa sila dito, yung parents niya nasa school, I mean nasa work. Sa work pa. I'm doing my vlog.
Oh.
Why?
Huh?
Why are you looking at me? Are you looking for me? Yeah, I'm doing my vlog. I'm just here. So, ayan. Nasabi ko ba? So, nasa work pa sila. Tapos, ayun. Kaya, dito muna kami sa labas. Ayan. Nanap niya ako. Kala niya ata na wala na ako. So, ayan. Ayan. Ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung view nila. View. So, ayan yung view nila. I mean, view ng bahay nila. Ayan o. Diyan. Yung view. Ito yung view. Makikita yung kalsada. Kalsada na yun doon. Kaya medyo alam yung naririnig nyo. Mga sasakyan yun. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, aray ko. Ano ba yun? Ayan, diba? Kasar. Ayan ang snow. Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig pag nasa labas. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung napakalamig na kapag natutunaw na yung snow? Ayan, punta na tayo dun sa harap. Baka hinahanap na tayo. Hinahanap na ako. Ayan, grabe. ASMR, tama. Ng ice. Ayan. Titignan natin yung asawa ko kung nasaan na. Saan na yun? Ayun siya! Ayun na shovel niya. Shovel. He's shoveling, huh?
Yeah, shoveling.
Oh yeah, where is it?
Oh, it's in the garage, so I'll go grab it.
Okay. Yeah, we shovel together. Why not? Arte nito. Ayaw niya mag-vlog.
Huh?
Why are you so arte?
What?
Come on, get the other shovel. So I can help you. Ayan. Ganito ang shovel. Shovel! Pwede na pang ano to, halo-halo. So, balik tayo. Yup. Ayan. Ayan, baba lang na rin yan. Diba? Parang naglalaro. Ayan. Ayan yung mga bahay dito. Diba? Bahay dito yan. Ayusin ko lang yung camera. Camera.
Oh!
Aww, I should bring my tripod. Shovel time.
Okay, I'm gonna go through and you just go up behind me and try to shovel the stuff I missed, like these ones right here.
camera. Hindi kami nakikita. Lipat ko yung camera. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm just trying to put in here. But yeah, sure.
Yeah, set it up to.
So ayan. Dapat pala dinala ko yung tripod ko eh. Ayan. Anyway, go. Ooh, snowing a lot.
Was it?
It's snowing a lot.
Oh yeah. Ito na yung kasama ko. Ayun. Ah. There's leaves.
Yeah.
I thought that they got all leaves.
So, ayun yung asawa ko. May asawa. Asawa. Yo. Oh, some mountain snow.
Yep.
Woo. Yep. Snowing.
Yep.
So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa loob. Tapos na tayo mag-shovel. Ayan yung Christmas tree. Ayan yung village. Ang Christmas village. Ayan. Mamaya ulit. Mag-prepare na kami ng dinner namin. Ayan. Ayan yung gawa niya. 'Di ba may pa-caviar pa. Mayaman. That's my husband. That's my husband. Look at him.
Me reading?
Huh? No, the gifts.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I was recording, wasn't she? Well, I
My
think she had a
video
camera.
for my blog earlier. Yeah. So, ito nga. After namin mag-dinner, yun, yung parents niya give yung mga gifts, advance gift, Christmas gifts. Pipicturean ko na lang. I'm gonna take a picture of all the gifts later. Yeah. Mostly you got Under Armour. Wow.
It was all Under Armour.
What?
It was all Under Armour.
Oh, it's all?
Yeah.
So guys, this is what we got. We got to parents, my husband parents. So early Christmas yan. Ito yung kay sa husband ko, ito yung sa akin. Ayan. So yun nga, nag-early Christmas kami sa bahay nila. Naghanda sila. Tapos, ayun, nanood kami ng Christmas movies, and then, nag-exchange gift. Pero yung gift namin is, hindi pa ready eh. So, sila pala yung nakapagbigay sa amin ng gift. So, ayan. Ito yung bigay ng kapatid ni Chu. Ayan. Yung mother-in-law ko. Yung cute. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman, sa husband ko, puro ano yan, damit halos. Na Under Armour. Ayan. Ayan. Ooh. Wow. Cool. Under Armour. And we got a ticket. We got a ticket from, ayan. Wait. State Fair. For next year. Yay. From your dad. Wow. Hello, good morning. And then yung mother niya, mahilig din pala sa mga halaman. Ayan, nasa labas yung iba dyan dati. Pero kasi ngayon nag-snow na. Nandito na sila sa loob. Para hindi lang magin. Ayan, tinuruan din ako kung paano gumawa nito. Mag-crochet. Kaso ang dami yung steps. Hirap naman. Let's see.
So it does twirl like this, like that. So I just push it back so it's on normal again. And sometimes you can just do this too. Okay, so now you have a little bit more.
Wow.
Okay, I'm just going to start again. Push it up. I'll put this in the back behind it. Put my string here.
I want to go home.
Around. Out.
Mom.
So this is a lot easier to hold on. Okay. and this is a little bit more sharp, so it's easier to put through also. Yeah, this is better control.
Bueno, señora Welch, mira, quisiera pedirle disculpas. Bueno, bueno, colgó.
So, okay. So just make a loop.
Okay.
Loop like that. Loop, and then just put this in. I don't want to pull it too hard. Leave it a little bit loose, so that all you do is hold onto this hand.
Okay.
You take this and you just, okay. So you take this, and you just do this, and you pull it back up. See that? Okay, that's it. So it's just, this is how you start. So it's just one, in and out, in and out.
I won't ever take a vacation like this again.
This is the first row, so it's a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, just turn it back this way, and then I just start over. I put this in here. Okay, and this is the part that's a bit trickier. If I do this, and then I do this one, and then I just push it back them both out, like that.
Where did you guys come from?
Then I find the
I don't
next
know
one.
enough for everybody. How hungry are you guys?
So I skip one
Guys,
here.
have all my food.
Yeah. Okay. I'll do the next one. Good. Yeah, this is probably a little more harder to start with.
I can see that.
Yeah. That, out. And the next loop. Next hole. And out. Together. One more here. Oops. A lot of counting.
Yeah.
This part here is just 3 through 3, so, and I have to kind of look at this one here too, because this is a new one for me. I have not done it this way before.
I see.
And I'm gonna turn it this way. It's just making X's. It's all X's. So when you get used to making the X, and it's easy.
Falling down the stairs.
Just making little X's. So just do 3 X's, and now turn. Go this way. Make another bench. So I'm doing this part here. So if you do this one, then I would give you a bigger one to start with, a bigger cloth to start with, because these holes are really close together, so it's kind of hard to get. See, I was trying to do it on black, a black cloth first to see what it looks like.
And shovel again before umuwi. Good. Ay, lumalakas na yung snow. Lumalakas na ang snow. There's a heavy snow now. Lumalakas na.
To make a snowman.
Yeah. Hindi kami makagawa ng snowman. Masyado daw malambot. Hindi pa siya makagawa ng snowman. Ayan. Yup.
This is the nice fluffy snow.
Yeah, it's floppy.
Yep. But not the kind of snow you need to do the snowman or go off right now. You need the wet, sticky snow.
Yeah. Oh, there's the snow. See? Kita nyo?
I just gotta
Wait.
clean it up and use that shovel to break up the hard, compact snow.
Ang snow. Patapos na kami magsabo. Lumalakas na yung snow. Yup. Oh, wait. Alit pa shovel. Shovel time. Yup. We're done?
No, you're not even working.
What? I was. See? Look at that.
Phone.
You're funny.
By the way, you're in the video now.
Yan. Nakakapagod. See you the next vlog, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.